Good afternoon, I'm Marla Ellerman. I'm publisher of Mobile Marketing and Technology Online. We're here today at the RSPA show in Las Vegas, and I'm here with Coy Christensen, who is Vice President of Product Management at Vantiv. And he's going to tell us about this product that they just launched called triPOS. And tell us a little bit about this.
So this is triPOS Cloud, which is the latest release of our triPOS family. This specifically is focused on those developers, those modern developers that don't want to actually have anything installed in the merchant location. So a lot of them really build their applications around, where it's run by a merchant through a browser. So there's nothing installed in the merchant location, and they really don't want to have to deal with anything from a developer standpoint or from even a managing their merchant standpoint where there's something installed in the merchant location. So what triPOS really does is overall as a family really removes the developer from the payment application. So we as Vantiv really understand payments, so we developed this middleware solution that really takes care of the EMV for them, the point-to-point, the interface to the device. All that stuff is taken care of on their behalf, and now we've actually released it in the cloud version. So everything runs in the cloud like the Internet of Things, where you just have a dumb device sitting in the lane, and the actual processing transaction piece of it all runs in the cloud.
So this is like plug and play. I pull this out of the box, I plug it in, and it's ready to go?
It's, from a partner standpoint, great, because it's simple integration. Things that would take them years and years to do, they can now do in 2 to 4 weeks. From a merchant standpoint, when they used to have to go in and do all sorts of installations and configurations and setup on their device. Now this is as simple as they take the device, plug it into the Ethernet, it'll come up with the registration code, they take that registration code, enter it in on their developer software, and they're good to go. It's that simple, a very simple process for the merchant.
Security, is this a secured device?
So, the device is all the communication between the device and from the partner to the actual platform is all secured. On top of that, all card information is secured using point-to-point encryption, and that includes, including validated point-to-point encryption.
Super cool. And how many partners are right now using this new product?
So this one we just launched, but as a whole family, because we also have a distributed version and a mobile version, as a whole family we have about 100 partners integrated with tens of thousands of merchants associated with it. And then on this actual specific device right now we have about 5 partners integrated with about 30 in the pipeline. So
exciting. So let's see a demo.
All right. So the nice thing here is we take the echo and we use the echo to signify the partner that would have their solution up in the cloud, and in this case all we've done is plug in the Ethernet and power, and that's it, and then linked it all up and we're good to go. So we've used Alexa to kind of demo the stuff. So Alexa, ask triPOS to run a sale.
What's the amount for this sale?
The amount is $10. So now she's already reached out to triPOS in the cloud, and this is all running through the Wi-Fi in a event where the Wi-Fi performance isn't great, but you can see how fast all the responses come from the cloud. Everything's in the cloud. There's actually nothing on the device itself. So, and that's processing, and it's already approved. That's an EMV transaction going through. So, and then you just sign, and done.
How cool is that? That is like the coolest thing I've seen at the show today.
Well, thank you.
Your sale has been approved.
Is there anything else you'd like to share with us today?
This is a nice thing for the developer, and we're going to continue to add on cool features. You'll see that down here we have some, we're adding in pay at the table functionality as well. We're doing unattended functionality. So really it's a great platform for developers to come integrate to and push out what they need to their merchant base.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing it with us, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.